everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House, and today is so exciting. Today is the first day of my 12 Days of Ornament series. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show you how to make this one, and then tune in for the next 11 days. There's gonna be an ornament every day. It's gonna be great. I am using this round piece of wood. I was able to get a whole bunch of them on Amazon. I will include a link in the video description, but you can certainly go to your craft store and find other shapes. There's no magic to the circle. I just thought that it would look really nice, and I love the way it turned out. I have already printed out my stencils on my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut or a vinyl cutter, then you can either cut out your own vinyl. You could probably find a sticker that would work. Just find a shape that you enjoy. So I am working with the Christmas tree theme, and as you will see, I have 3 different designs that I am working with. And then you are simply going to remove the stencil. You could use transfer paper if you want. I found that these shapes are simple enough that I don't even need the transfer paper. And then you're gonna place this right onto your piece of wood. So I'm gonna finish this for all of the stencils that I've printed out, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do next. Place your stencil and make sure that it's pretty pressed in place. And then you're gonna need some painter's tape. I'm using frog tape, my favorite. This is the delicate surface type, but any should work. And you are simply going to tape off one side of your circle. Notice how quickly I'm working. Makes no difference. Makes no difference where you place it. And then you're gonna get your first color of paint. I'm just using this flat bristled brush, and I'm gonna quickly paint that one part of the ornament. You don't want to have a ton of paint on your brush just to make sure that it doesn't bleed underneath that tape. If you work fast, it shouldn't be a problem. Also notice that I'm moving from the tape towards the edge. I find that that again helps with crisp lines, and I'll have to clean up the edge a little bit, but this makes it just a little bit easier to control. Once you've painted one side, you want to take the tape off fairly fast. Go easy, because you obviously don't want to pull away that stencil. Once your paint is dry, you are going to repeat that last step again. Now, you can either have one piece of tape like this, or if you want to protect that entire first color, you can also go back with 2 pieces of tape. It's really up to you. Now you are going to grab another color. Do the same thing. The last color, you're going to tape over so that you're leaving that unpainted bit uncovered. And again, you can do 1 piece of tape, or you can do 2. This is the fun part. Once you've removed the painter's tape, now you finally get to go back and remove that first stencil that you put down. I mean, is there anything more satisfying than that? You can certainly glue ribbon to the back of these, but I thought it would look a little bit cleaner if the ribbon went right through. So I am simply drilling a hole right at the top of the Christmas tree.